Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Now today I have something that I am excited to look at because I've wanted one of these for quite a while now. I was just waiting for the price to come down a bit, and I've not opened this. This is the first time in a long time I'm opening it on channel to get my genuine reaction, because I'm really hoping this is good, because sometimes when you wait for something for a long time and you get it, it's disappointing. And I've lost my knife. I don't know where my knife's gone. I've not used it for ages, and I'll have to use a kitchen knife. Now you already know from the thumbnail what it is. One of these Ferrofluid kind of. It says it's a lamp. I'm guessing it lights up. It's not a speaker. Sometimes you can get them with the speaker built in. Well, first thing is it's smaller than what I thought. And let's have a look at the actual item. Oh, it's bloody heavy. And there we have it. There is the little Ferrofluid lamp. You also get USB-A to USB-C charging cable. And you get a little magnet, so you can actually. That's all you get. Yeah. It's nicely packaged. You know, you've got a nice foam insert, dense foam on the top, so it is quite nicely packaged, which is good. Right, so it is really heavy though. I didn't expect it to be that heavy, but yeah, at the moment it's just like kind of bobbling around in there, and there you can see you can zhuzh it all up with the magnet, and then you can just bring it all back together. But obviously the party piece for this is so it will react to sound and it will dance along to the music, or if you're gaming, whatever. So let's see the first turn on, and there it comes to life. And and there you go, it reacts to sound. That's probably quite annoying, I do apologise. It reacts to sound, which is exactly what it's supposed to do. It syncs back to the bottom when it goes silent, and then when it detects sound, it jumps back to life. And obviously if you've got a beat going, it stays in the middle and it just reacts. Yeah, this is cool. This is right up my street. Right up my street. I love that. That is weird. That is so cool. Now it says Clock Tech on the front of it. Now I'm not sure whether there's other brands or whether it's just one kind of lamp, because I've seen a lot of these, but under different names. So I'm guessing it's just like different companies put their name to it, but I could be wrong. But this one does say Clock Tech on the back. Obviously made in China, but this feels genuinely good quality. Now it's not cheap. This cost me a 40 something, 50 something. So it's not cheap for what it is. If you want something that's cool on your desk, I don't think you can get much cooler than that. It will actually, it's like a little alien living in there that's reacting to sound. It's brilliant. This is right up my street. See, this is what TEMU and AliExpress and those sort of companies are good for. Finding these weird and wacky sort of things. This just brings out my inner child. Now you may be wondering, well, where am I going to put this? Well, let me show you. Right, so I've just come over to my desk and I'm just going to play one of my previous videos where I've done a speaker, so I can listen to some YouTube music. But as you can see, it's reacting to my voice. Now, initially, what I wanted to do was I was going to get rid of this, put this upstairs, and I was going to put this beyond. I thought this was a lot bigger. I thought it was, you know, so I was going to put it behind the wall light in the corner. But it's too small, it's about the same height. Right, if I can get it to focus on that, and then I will just play a bit of the video. Turn it up a bit. The table is right, you know what I wish? I wish that Ferrofluid stuff was green. Because to me, this reminds me, if anyone's seen the film, and I'm sure a lot of you have, Flubber. Have you seen Flubber? You've not seen Flubber? You've got to watch Flubber. It's brilliant. But yeah, I think it will live absolutely fine there, next to the Wolf. So that when I'm gaming or when I'm playing at the computer here, I can see it and it's dancing away. I don't know how long the battery lasts. Obviously, I've not charged it or anything. That's how it came. But I'm guessing you can just leave it plugged in. So it will always stay, it'll always have power. But yeah, I really like that. Yeah, one thing I've just noticed on this, it has got, all it's got on the back is a power button. Just literally a push-in button. You hold it in 3 seconds to turn it on, fold it in 3 seconds to turn it off. But if you push it in quickly, it's got two brightness settings. This brightness and slightly dimmer, but the camera's not really picking up the difference. But you can see it with the eye. So if it's a bit too bright when I'm over here gaming, I can turn it down. I also noticed that the actual name at the bottom, Clock Tech, lights up as well. So I genuinely think this is seriously cool. Really, really good. Does it do a lot? Not really. But if it puts a smile on your face, can you go, you know, is there anything better than that really? And every time I'm watching this, I'm probably going to do crap in games now because I'm going to be watching this. I say crap, I'm going to do more crap than usual in games because of this. But yeah, I really like that. So tell me what you guys think. Is that something you'd like on your desk or maybe in your office, just to break up the boredom of sitting there typing away and doing your documents and like me doing my taxes and stuff, which I've got to do because they're due at the end of the month and I still ain't done them? Or is this not really your cup of tea? For me, man, I love it. Genuinely love it. It's so much better made than what I thought as well. So yeah, I'm chuffed with it. So yeah, what do you think about this little Ferrofluid lamp? I genuinely like it, but let me know what you think in the comments. If you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet done so yet, but you'd like to see more content like this, please subscribe, because these are the sort of things I like finding, weird and wacky stuff on TEMU and AliExpress, places like that. So yeah, that does it for this video. I am going to get out of here. Hopefully see you all in that one. But for now, bye guys.